Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to do a Heart of Gold unboxing. If you don't know who they are, then go ahead and check them out with a link in my description. So this is an unboxing for their heart charm necklace. Before I forget to mention, I'm also teaming up with them on Instagram. So if you go to my Instagram account, the link is also in the description for my Instagram. But if you go there and you look at my feed, there is a photo, and just click on that, and it's for their gold heart necklace giveaway. So it's really easy to enter. All you have to do is follow them on Instagram and go to the link in the photo and submit your entry. If you want extra entries, then you can also tag a friend or more than one, and also share the post.